age or birthday on Roblox is a pretty simple thing. And in this video, I will be telling you how you guys can do it. So first thing first, what you have to do is to download the Roblox in your Android device. For that, simply go to the Play Store and click on the and search for the Roblox account. And once you do that, simply install it. And once you have installed it, make sure that it's up to date. Then click on play button. Now it will open up the application. So the next step is pretty easy and simple. So what you have to do is to go to the settings. For going to the settings, make sure you click on the more button in the bottom right corner and then swipe down till you see setting option. In the setting option, go to the account information, and in the account information, just simply go ahead and click on the change age button. For that, just make sure your setting is completely booted up before you do that. So in here, you guys can see that you can change your personal birthday right over here. Just simply go ahead and click on the edit button right next to your birthday and then select the birthday that you want to enter and then select continue. That way you will be able to change your birthday or your age on the Roblox. I hope you find this really helpful.